Welcome. Now let's check our PHP Companion package, and we will see how we can bind its shortcut keys in Sublime text that it make our coding easy, so we can easily use it and we can easily handle it. So let's click our Sublime text, and before to use the PHP companion in one of our video we have install the PHP companion package. If not, you are not familiar, let's have a review. So just use your palette, control shift P, and control install packages, package control install packages. So we have to um, make our directory enable before in installing PHP companion. So our repository is getting ready now. The repository is ready, and it's take all the packages from Sublime, and now we can check PHP companion uh, PHP companions kit. So PHP companion. So this is the package you can install PHP companions to Sublime text. So I have already installed, and we can check it from our escape to remove it, and we can check it from our browse packages, Sublime text install packages. Here you can see there. This is the PHP companion Sublime package. So I have already installed it. You can install in the same way like I have just give you the way to install it. So our PHP companion installed. Now we can see. Now we can check and how we can add the shortcut keys to bind. Before that, let me include our project. So we will use this PHP companion package. It's under XAMPP, htdocs, and microcache. So the our project is include, and to bind its key, let's search to our Google. So just in Google, type PHP companion key binding. When you press enter, so it will give you the links on GitHub. So this one link, Sublime Text PHP companion key binding, and let me open in a new tab. If it is the same, yes, it is the same. So here is the Sublime Text on GitHub PHP companion Sublime setting. So this code you have to copy it, the complete code, uh, copy it, and come to your Sublime Text preferences, key bindings. So here it is our default Windows Sublime Text key binding. So this is the default Sublime key bindings, and we will use to describe our key binding for PHP companion, and paste that code right here. So F6 for command expand fully qualified control name, and when you F6 press F6, so it will include the class, and we will see right now. Okay, let me include open a controller. I will use Control P to search my file. Let's open budgets controller. So here see it's a project of smart expense keeping application, and here we want to include uh, see its budgets. It's a model category expense, and let me comment it. Control slash forward slash, and where it is we use budget. It is in a constructor. Okay, this is the definition. We have used a package of Laravel blade helper. So click here, and now the key is for are qualified to add a class name. You have to press F6. See, I press F6 and it didn't work. Control Z. F6 is not working. Okay, let me close this and open the sublime text because I have just bind our keys. Maybe it's not working from that reason. Okay, see, I am pressing F6, my short key, which is for key binding. F6 for command expand fully qualified controller name. Okay, it must work now. F6, and it is making the complete path but not adding it right here. Okay, I will remove from here, and if I go to, let me go to down, where is the budget is used. Mm, it's not get my shortcut key right now. Mm, use app bud budget. So let's check exactly the what it is the key for to include the find file use. F6 is command to let me expand fully qualified domain controller name or model name. I think F5 command find use. It is the right command to include the file that you want to use in your project. Okay, let's press click the model name and press F5. See, the model is included automatically. So let me remove again, and here it is budget. I am now pressing F5 key and it will include. So if I click on it and press F6, so it will include its fully qualified path. So see app budget, and under app you can see the budget model is there. So it's including by pressing F6, it's including its fully qualified path. And if you want to include to use in your controller, so you have a short key which is F5 we have defined. So it is included. Let it again remove it, Control S, and click of budget, press F5, and it will include it. So this is the beauty of PHP Companion. So it make our coding easy. So we have to do sometimes include our classes, so it less the coding. And let's once again check key bindings, and you can define your own keys. If you are not going to go with the defined keys, so you can make your own key right here, key bindings. So define your keys, shortcut keys to use, so you can do it. So these are the keys as the Sublime default keys. You can also customize it. So, but we are stick with the PHP companion keys. So it's done, and we'll see you.